Hey guys, just one day, then Samsung revealed the Galaxy S24 series on 17 January 2024. But as you can see that Galaxy S24 Ultra all box hands-on video are leaked and also the all color unboxing video are leaked, and as you can see that this is not the first time when we have been seeing the photo live design. However, the live video are give us a pretty much solid look the changes Galaxy has made, and Galaxy S24 series official poster are also revealed, and the official poster you can see all the details and all the feature upcoming Galaxy S24 series, and I am very much excited about Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 6.8-inch QHD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the phone peak brightness is 2600 nits. Galaxy S24 family Samsung using Exynos 2400 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 overclock processor, and this is officially confirmed that India and Europe market Samsung using Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus Exynos 2400 SoC, and the US and Canada market Samsung using Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a 12GB of RAM, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage with UFS 4.0. All three devices come with the Android 14 with One UI 6.1 with dynamic lock screen, a smart keyboard and also AI feature. In the camera department, the phone comes with a quad camera setup. New ISO cell 200 MP has a main camera, 12 MP ultra wide 10 MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 50 MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and the phone is come with a 12 MP selfie shooter. S24 family you can record 4K 120fps slow-mo video. The phone powered by 5000 mAh battery, 45 watt wire charging and 15 watt wireless charging supported. Check this video to learn more about Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. That's for today's video, and make sure hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.